Welcome to Troubleshooting Tesla Model 3 Adaptive Headlights. This overview will guide you through diagnosing and resolving common problems with matrix headlight malfunctions, firmware glitches, and settings configurations. Adaptive headlights are a cornerstone of safety in the Tesla Model 3. They use advanced LED systems to dynamically adjust beam patterns, reducing nighttime accident risks by 25 to 30% compared to traditional headlights. The system consists of matrix LED units controlled by cameras and sensors. Common problems include firmware glitches, settings misconfigurations, and hardware issues. Adaptive headlights create high-resolution light distributions, masking glare from oncoming vehicles while illuminating dark road areas. This guide will walk you through everything from basic settings checks to advanced troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your headlights are set to auto mode. Navigate to Lights greater than Adaptive Headlights on your Tesla's touchscreen. Verify that the adaptive headlight feature is toggled on. A common mistake is accidentally disabling this setting. Also, make sure your vehicle is stationary with the ignition on before making any changes. Sometimes simply toggling the feature off and on again can resolve minor software glitches. Outdated firmware is a primary cause of adaptive headlight issues. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates to address software bugs and improve system performance. Check for available updates under Software on your touchscreen. Connect to Wi-Fi for faster downloads. As of January 1, 2026, firmware version 2024.26.2, which incorporated AI-enhanced calibration algorithms to better handle real-world variables, is a key update. Install any pending updates, as these often contain fixes for known headlight problems. Remember that users delaying firmware installs have reported prolonged issues. If your headlights are still malfunctioning after a firmware update, observe the specific behavior. Do they fail to adapt on highways, flicker, not dim properly? These symptoms can indicate specific problems. Check for any obstructions to the camera behind the rearview mirror, such as dirt or misalignment, as the system's core relies on Tesla's autopilot suite. Note the exact behavior to provide detailed information to Tesla support if needed. Common causes include settings misconfigurations, hardware issues, or environmental factors. Software resets and recalibration can fix many Tesla Model 3 adaptive headlight issues. Start with a software reset through the Tesla app. The Reset All Settings option can resolve corrupted settings files that may be interfering with headlight operation. To perform this reset, open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the Settings menu. Select Reset All Settings and confirm the action. This will clear any corrupted configuration files without affecting your personal data. If the app reset doesn't work, try a soft reset of the vehicle's system. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the touchscreen restarts. This can refresh the headlight control software. For headlight alignment issues, some owners have reported success by recalibrating the system through service mode. This is an advanced procedure that should only be attempted by experienced users, as it requires accessing diagnostic tools. Proceed with caution and consider professional assistance if you're unsure. While software fixes are most common, with 92% of cases resolved via software, hardware failures can occur. Inspect the headlights for physical damage or moisture buildup. If you live in a colder climate, check for ice obstructing the LED units. In rare instances, faulty control modules or wiring may require replacement by a Tesla service center. It is best to allow the service center to diagnose the problem. Tesla service centers now offer a streamlined diagnostic tool that checks for alignment, sensor integrity, and software version, often fixing issues in under an hour. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps, contact Tesla support through the app or website. Provide detailed information about the problem, including the steps you've already taken. Owner forums like Tesla Motors Club and Reddit's r/Tesla Motors can also offer valuable insights and potential solutions from other owners who have experienced similar issues. Tesla's support forums document the prevalence of software-based solutions. Tesla's adaptive headlights are continuously evolving with software-centric fixes and integration with autonomous driving tech. Regularly check for firmware updates and address any warning lights promptly. Experts predict a 95% resolution rate for headlight issues by 2027. As vehicles age, consider modular designs for easier repairs. For the future, keep an eye out for augmented reality overlays via the headlights, projecting navigation cues, or hazard warnings directly onto the road in upcoming models. This could reduce reliance on external sensors,